Hailey Bieber just started a new makeup trend which is called strawberry makeup, so today I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna start with prepping the skin and I'm using my favorite combo. I'm gonna use the dew drops as a primer to get a beautiful dewy finish. For this makeup look we want a super light coverage but a beautiful skin where beauty marks come true. So for this I'm gonna use my favorite tinted moisturizer. This one is from Laura Mercier. We're obviously using a lot of blush. I'm gonna go with a little bit of concealer now. I'm using Givenchy Prisme Libre concealer. I'm applying a tiny bit underneath my eyes, around my nose and around my mouth as well. Blending out everything using a synthetic brush, and then what's left on the brush I'm gonna go all over the eyelid. Loads of creamy bronzer now, and I'm using nude sticks. Blending it out using the same brush I've used to blend the concealer. In this way I will get more like a very natural finish. I don't want to look super snatched, so this time you don't have to be very precise with the bronzer, just make sure to blend it out nicely. Okay, now comes the star of this look, the blush, and I'm gonna use a lot. I'm gonna go for nude sticks in shade Cherry Blossom. I'm using the same brush I've used before to blend out the creamy product. Of course you can play out with the intensity of the blush. One last creamy product before I go on with a little bit of setting powder. This one is a liquid highlighter from Rare Beauty in shade Mesmerize. I'm just gonna use my fingers to blend it out nicely. I'm applying this one only on the highest points of my cheeks. Setting powder is Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish, and I'm actually gonna go with this one only underneath my eyes to prevent creasing. And I'm a little bit nervous about the next step because I'm about to create some freckles. I'm gonna use Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. This one is in shade brown, so hopefully I will get a beautiful nice result. Then I'm gonna use my fingers to blend it out nicely. Now I'm gonna reinforce some of the freckles that got covered by foundation and some of my moles as well. For the eye makeup I'm gonna do the tiniest eyeliner, and I'm using the same Too Faced Born This Way eyeliner. Curling my eyelashes now, I'm using Laura Mercier eyelash curler, KVD full sleeve mascara. Ooh, this one is really nice. Just look at my lashes, one coat only. Love it. Remember, we are not using falsies for today's eye makeup look. Lip liner, I'm using Huda Beauty in shade Warm Brown. Just gonna use my fingers to slightly blend out the liner. Now I'm using the same blush to apply it on my lips. On top of it, I'm gonna go with a clear lip gloss. This one is Nude Sticks Lip Butter. That would be it. This is the final result. This is the strawberry makeup look. Let me know what you think. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!